if you see a flashing green light on your first alert smoke alarm, well, there are a few things that you can do here to remove that flashing light. So, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and basically change the battery here. Now, sometimes the issue itself is because your smoke alarm here is running low in battery. So, changing the battery can solve your problem. So, you want to open the alarms cover, and on some older models here, you might need to take it off from the ceiling first. So, you need to slide out the old battery, and most pop right out. But if it's snug, give it a little gentle push there to remove it. So yeah, you want to take a fresh set of batteries here and place it in the slot. Now it only fits one way, so line it up correctly, and once it's in, close the covers tightly. Now you want to reset the alarm as well. So you want to press and hold the test button, and this clears the alarm's memory, and you'll hear a beep confirming it worked. Now the flashing green light should stop, and leaving a steady green light instead. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.